Beautiful people, check this out. So, CK850. All love and use this diamond blade. Now, they give you the option of a spin-on flange. So this is designed just to go direct, the same as all the dry bits. M14 fitting straight onto the grinder, and then these just spin straight on. So direct fix, M14 straight onto the grinder. We're clamped down, we're just going to show you doing a simple freehand mitre. So ear protection and eye protection as always. So we've just cut with our CK850 with a spin-on flange, a 45-degree freehand cut. So we've done our mitre, and as with any mitre, you want to set it back a couple of mil from the very edge so it doesn't blister out. These are Villeroy & Boch grade 5 porcelain, so they're super tough. Once we've done it, we've then used our diamond pads. So like sandpaper, they come in a variety of grits. We've used a 50 and then 100. So all we've done here, he's gone over the edge to get rid of any light blemishes and to take the sharp edge off. And then, like with sandpaper, you increase the number. So obviously the higher the number, the higher or finer the grade. And then you can use this on the edge like so. And you get a perfect finish. Then the result is that. So the thing about mitres, they come in twos. So we've done the first one, so we're going to 45 the other tile and show you how well they meet. Let's go.